Now moving to the tasks. First, task number 1 is to calculate the first 10 prime numbers. Now all of you know that what are the prime numbers. Now you need to basically keep on using the loop technique to keep the iterations, as well as you need conditional and unconditional jumps to find out the values, the first 10 prime numbers. So I hope you have a knowledge about prime numbers and you are familiar with the conditional and unconditional jumps. Then the next task is write an assembly language program to calculate fifth power of a number. So basically a number is being saved in some register and you need to calculate the fifth power of that number. Again, here you can use the concept of loops, and definitely there will be a usage of conditional jumps as well. Then the next task is write an assembly language program to perform multiplication. Write a program which multiply two numbers without using the multiplication instruction. So basically in that task you need to multiply the two numbers without using the multiplication instruction. So there is another way of multiplication is basically if you want to multiply two numbers, you need to without using the multiplicator operator, you need to add those numbers. For example, if I want to multiply 6 with 3, I can add 6 3 times, so the resultant will be same. So in that specific task you are again required to use the concepts of loop and conditional jump to fulfill that specific task. Next one is write an assembly language program that using subroutine. Basically here you need to find out the average of a number and you need to make out a subroutine for finding that specific task of finding that average. Then the next task is write an assembly language program to copy a full segment. Basically in that case you need to copy an entire segment from one location to another location. Basically when I talk about the entire segment, that means starting from the location 0000 I am talking about the offset address till FFFF. Each segment has the minimal address or the starting address with offset 000 and the final address will be segment address FFFF. So now you need to copy the entire segment. So to keep copying the entire segment, definitely you need to use loops as well, and then some conditional or unconditional jumps as well. So that's all from my side. I hope it will help you to perform this task. If you have any query, we will be discussing those queries in the live sessions. Thank you.